Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel banner. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to youtube.com and just simply go to the top right corner of the screen over here, which is your profile. And after that, just simply click on view your channel, this one over here. And now from here, just simply click on a customize channel over here. And after that, guys, it will redirect you over here and just simply go over here on the banner image. It will be on the profile category and click on upload over here. And as you can see, for best results on all devices, use an image that's at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 MB less. So click on upload over here and just simply select your YouTube banner and click on open. And after that, as you can see, you should be able to see here your picture. And when it comes to this size, it will be viewable on all devices. And from here, it will be viewable on desktop and viewable on TV. And now from here, just simply click on done over here on the bottom right. And after that, guys, just make sure to click on publish on the top right corner of the screen. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, guys, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.